Have you seen anything at this point that gives you a high degree of confidence that the Wuhan Institute of Virology was the origin of this virus?
Yes, I have. Yes, I have. And I think that the World Health Organization should be ashamed of themselves because they're like the public relations agency for China. And this country pays them almost $500 million a year, and China pays them $38 million a year. And whether it's a lot or more, it doesn't matter. It's still, they shouldn't be making excuses when people make horrible mistakes, especially mistakes that are causing hundreds of thousands of people around the world to die. I think the World Health Organization should be ashamed of themselves. There's a lot of theories, but yeah, we have people looking at it very, very strongly. Scientific people, intelligence people, and others.
And what gives
and
you?
We're going to put it all together. I think we're going to have a very good answer eventually.
And what gives you?
And China might even tell us. China may tell us.
And what gives you a high degree of confidence that this originated from the Wuhan Institute of Virology?
I can't tell you that. I'm not allowed to tell you that.
Mr. President?
Jeff, go ahead, please.
Mr. President, would you consider having the United States not pay its debt obligations to China as punishment for the virus?
Well, I can do it differently. I can do the same thing, but even for more money just by putting on tariffs. So I don't have to do that.
The first email was not from Taiwan. The first report came from Wuhan, from China itself. Taiwan didn't report any human-to-human transmission. This has to be clear.
Beaucoup, Marie, pour cette question. So quick translation of that. Marie is asking about email that has been sent by Taiwanese health officials to WHO on 31st December. So the question was when this email arrived, when we had the first announcement by Chinese authorities of cases of unknown pneumonia, and how do we answer to claims that WHO was not acting on warning from Taiwan. Thank you.
So we would obviously like to thank our colleagues in Taiwan for having shared an interesting report for which we were receiving similar reports from other sources. At no point in the process of communication in this email that's been received was there any reference to human-to-human transmission or any other issue. It was purely requesting relevant information and thanking us in advance for our attention to the matter. So I hope that clears up that confusion.
I think Mike answered it very well, but I just wanted to summarize. In its email on 31st December, one thing that has to be clear is the first email was not from Taiwan. Many other countries have already were asking for clarification. The first report came from Wuhan, from China itself. So Taiwan was only asking for clarification. Some people were claiming Taiwan didn't report any human-to-human transmission. This has to be clear. They were asking for clarification like any other entity who wanted clarification. So we didn't receive the existence of human-to-human transmission from Taiwan on December 31. We have all the documentations. The email we received from Taiwan is to get more clarification on the issue based on China's report. So the report first came from China. That's number one fact, from Wuhan itself. Second, the email from Taiwan, like other entities, was to ask for clarification, nothing else.